Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the difference between n8n and make.com. Which AI automation agent is the best? If you've been looking for the best way to automate your workflows, especially with AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion, Discord, Google Sheets, or APIs, you'll probably come across n8n and Make. Both are powerful platforms for creating custom workflows, automations, and AI agents without deep coding knowledge. But which one is better? Which one is easier to use, more flexible, and more powerful for AI tasks? In this video, I'll break it all down and compare N8N versus Make so you can choose best automation tool for your workflow. So let's start with N8N. It is spelled as N8N and it stands for Node to Node. And it is an open source, self hosted automation platform that lets you build advanced workflows visually. It has the open source advantage. One of the biggest strengths of n8n is that means you can self host it for free, customize the code, and use it however you want. No restrictions, no workflows, or steps. Accessing it super easy and simple. You just have to simply get to its website, sign up with your account, and you will be onto its dashboard. You can either start creating with scratch or you can just simply use the AI agent that works for you. So it's up to you whatever option you would like to go with. It uses a node based system where each block represents a task, like fetching an API, sending an email, or calling an AI model. It's perfect for chaining together complex steps, decisions, branches, and loops. So you can add different sort of nodes and just simply give them different tasks. And if you're using its AI, then it has different capabilities. N8n integrates easily with tools like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and other LLMs. You can create multi-step AI agents that read data for a spreadsheet, analyze it with AI, send a summary to Slack or Notion, and loop back for new data. If you're a developer or advanced user, you will love the JavaScript and function nodes. You can write your own logic inside the workflow. This gives you way more control than most other tools. And also it is free tier. N8n is completely free if you self-host, or you can use their cloud version with a generous free plan. But the downside is it is not beginner friendly. The UI is technical and there's a slight learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with logic blocks or APIs. So this was all about the N8N, and now let's move to our make.com. So make.com is a cloud-based automation tools that becomes super popular with marketers, creators and startups mainly because of its visual simplicity and power. It has a beautiful interface. Its interface is one of the best in the game. It uses circles and lines for each module, and everything is built like a flowchart, even if you're a beginner. You can understand how data flows step by step. So you can either start creating from scratch or you can use its AI agents or you can say the templates. It's up to you whatever option you would like to go with. You can go based on your need and requirement of your work. If you want to do it everything through the scratch, then you have to just simply start from the beginning. But if you use these templates or AI agents, the work will be really easy. Also it has the AI integration. It makes also support AI modules like OpenAI, which is the chat GPT, Google Cloud AI, Claude via webhooks, and custom API models. This makes it best for building things like social media content generators, auto reply bots, email summarizers from responders with ChatGPT. It offers templates and community. Make has a massive template library for e-commerce, email marketers, social media, AI tasks, and more. You can find ready-made automations and tweak them in minutes. If we compare them, in the sense of ease of use. So Make is better for beginners while n8n is better for technical users. If we talk about the AI automation, both support OpenAI and LLMs. In sense of customization, n8n wins here. Full code access, custom logic, and open API integration, while Make is more limited but simpler for non-coders. In simple words, use n8n if you want full control, you're comfortable with technical workflows, you plan to build complex AI agents or internal tools. Use Make if you want something easy and visual, you need quick AI integration, you're automating tasks like emails, forms, and social media. So that's the difference between them, and now it's up to you what you choose based on your needs. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.